Good morning. Good morning, my beautiful people. This guy, Whitehead Bay Raekwon, and I'm back with another vlog, guys. It'll be like a quick little vlog. Ain't nothing too much going on today. Guys, as y'all can see, we got snow on the ground. And look at the pool, y'all. The pool is officially froze. Yep. We got snow on the ground. Got your boy Junior out here warming up. I'm glad this time when it snowed that it didn't stay like it did a couple years ago, because when that snow came down, it just came and stayed. But I think this time the snow came down, and I think it's gonna, come and go, you know what I'm saying? But it is freezing outside. The temperature right now is 8 degrees outside, guys. The temperature right now is 8 degrees. Out here testing the driveway right fast, making sure ain't no icing on the ground, whatnot. But I know this snow, the little snow right here, gonna give me some little traction coming up the driveway yesterday. But I know at the end of the driveway, it's ice right now. Like right here, it's ice right here at the end of the driveway. Cause it's like last night, this was water, and then probably like when I came back outside, just officially turned to ice. Yep. See, there's ice right there, guys. So look like the streets cleared up a little bit. Yeah, I guess the sun this morning kind of melted the street a little bit. So, yep. Street a little bit, so cool. That's cool. So we should be straight getting out the driveway. So yes, y'all, it's cold out here, y'all. Y'all saying that people from the south don't get no cold weather. Y'all, we get cold weather out here in the south. No cap. When it get cold, it get cold. So, yep. Junior been out here warming up for the last 20 minutes, so he should be nice and warm on the inside. I came right here, I thought I almost had like a cold start. Make sure my lights on, so my lights is on. This morning I thought I had like a cold start this morning. So, but he went on and cranked on up, y'all.
Perfect.
Woo!
If new front camera system takes
Turn the radio down. Get in this car. You should be nice and warm. Oh, and he is. Oh my gosh. Woo! Y'all, it's cold out there. And he is nice and warm, y'all. Why? Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Yeah, yes, y'all. We is going to Hornet, Mississippi. I think my mom did go to the grocery store. And I'm just going to go get something to eat. And y'all already know I'm gonna have the road footage going on for you guys. So yes, going on for you guys. And then probably when I get back to Walmart, I'll go ahead and close out this vlog. Okay, all right, okay. So no further ado, people, sit back, relax, and let's go ahead and get this vlog started.